Hi, I'm Healing Needs. Welcome to my channel and welcome to an unboxing video. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I am fresh off of my Monday, Motion Monday trail walk. So this is an extra walk that I'm doing for this week. This is my second Monday in a row doing it, y'all, and I'm excited. I'm happy about it. But today's video is an unboxing. Now, y'all know, sometimes I mention this, sometimes I don't. But just like a lot of other YouTubers, content creators, I have discount codes and referral links and affiliate links and stuff like that. Y'all, look, nothing big, but I mean, you know, hey, every penny counts. Today's unboxing video is special because I was able to make a purchase because you supported me. Today's unboxing is a purchase from iHerb, and like I said, it was made possible in part due to your support. I don't know the specific people that use my code that allowed me to earn rewards points to make this purchase, but I just want to let you know, thank you. I really appreciate you. And the rewards points that I earned from your support, that's going right back into the channel. Now, of course, I made the purchase for stuff that I'm going to use, but these products will be number one in this unboxing video and in a future product empties video. So this was an iHerb purchase, just a few personal care, kind of home care items. I did have a little leakage and spill in the box, but y'all, not enough to be trying to like return it or go through any kind of return or refund process. It wasn't that much, y'all. But we might as well start off with those products. So I purchased 2 bottles of liquid Castile soap, and I do everything with this Castile soap. I shower with it. I clean my hair with it. I clean my house with it. I use it in a garden. It's multi-purpose. But this is a new brand for me. This is Glow Naturals Essentials. And this is the peppermint version and then the almond scent. I have the peppermint and almond scent that I'm using right now from another brand. I think it's Dr. Woods. And I like it. It's pretty good. But this one was on sale at iHerb. So I purchased these. The peppermint soap is made with organic shea butter. It's cruelty-free, all-natural, and paraben-free. This is 32 ounces. On the back, it says that you can use it as a body wash, as a shampoo, as a bath soap, as a facial cleanser. It is for external use only. Avoid contact with eyes. But like I said, I also use this in my garden. The ingredients are water, saponified coconut, hemp, and olive oils with retained glycerin, vitamin E, natural peppermint oil, hydroxyethylcellulose, citric acid, organic shea butter, and rosemary extract. So real simple. I like it. I understand these ingredients. I know what they are. Glow Naturals Essentials. So peppermint. And then this is the almond scent. Again, cruelty, paraben, and gluten-free. The ingredients in this one are water, potassium cocoate, potassium palm kernelate, glycerin, potassium olivate, potassium hemp seedate, organic shea butter, vitamin E, rosemary extract, citric acid, hydroxyethylcellulose, and fragrance. So this company is in Boca Raton, Florida, and it's exclusively at Vitacost, but iHerb is selling it. So I'm going to try this out, Glow Naturals Essentials brand, and I'll let you know what I think about it in the next empties video. Next, I got 2 tubes of toothpaste from Himalaya. One is Mint Fresh Gel toothpaste, and if y'all remember, I said I prefer tooth gel over toothpaste. This is Mint Fresh. Fresh breath helps fight plaque, vegetarian. And this is one of the Gum Expert toothpaste formulas. It says authentic and effective. The Himalaya Gum Expert range of toothpaste are formulated with Pilu, a teeth cleaning twig, from the Salvador Persica tree for a clean feeling like never before. Mint Fresh Gel Toothpaste is power packed with refreshing mint and Indian dill to enhance your oral care experience and sparkling smile. It also helps fight plaque buildup. The key ingredients are kiswak and clove, and the purpose is all day protection. Cardamom for healthy looking gums, and Indian dill promotes fresh breath. One of the reasons why I like and I purchase Himalaya brand toothpaste is because they have fluoride free options. And speaking of that, this other one is Complete Care, and it says it right there on the box, toothpaste fluoride free. The Mint Fresh is also fluoride free. This is in the Gum Expert line. It says healthy looking gums, helps fight plaque, and it is vegetarian. The key ingredients in this toothpaste are Indian gum Arabic tree for healthy looking gums, Triphala for all day protection, and Bishop's weed promotes fresh breath. And you see here the key ingredients on this one. Keeping with the oral health, I have the TheraBreath Dentist formulated fresh Brent oral rinse. This is a 3-ounce size, and it says right on the top, y'all, TSA compliant. I have a larger container of this. I'm almost done with it, so it'll probably be in the very next empties video. Y'all, the box is full, so empties video is definitely coming up. But I think the larger container of this will be in that one. Stay tuned, and I will let you know what I think about this product. And the next thing, y'all, I really must be into my oral health, at least for this purchase, y'all. So I have 3 packs of floss, y'all. And I prefer these floss picks. I don't like the string floss, but I get down with the floss picks. So I got 2 DenTek Fresh Clean Freshest Breath Mouthwash Blast Mint flavor. And I don't know if you can see like the string. So it has a thicker string on it. If you can see it maybe a little bit better here. It has like a thicker string on it. It has a tongue cleaner, silky floss, and then a textured pick at the back. So I got 2 packs of these. And then I got a Sensitive Gums Comfort Clean. And this says build gum strength, gently removes plaque. And again, you can see like the thicker string. And then you can see like the specifics on the back. Now they do make the floss picks with a little thin string, like almost like dental floss thin, and I don't like those. I like these because the string is thicker, it's waxy, so it's smoother and softer on my gums. So I'm gonna see the difference between this Sensitive Gum and then just the regular Fresh Clean. But I have 3 packs of floss picks, y'all. I keep floss picks with me. I have them like at all times, y'all. I don't like to have stuff stuck between my teeth, y'all. And then the last items I got, y'all, I need to make a whole separate video because I went crazy on this product in another purchase. I think I purchased from Amazon and Walmart. Y'all, between this product and then another product, I must have got every cent that was available except for one specific one, y'all, and I wanted to get it so bad I didn't. I might go back and get it and then do a separate video, and because the scent is very I don't know, y'all, but I think I might go back and get that other scent. But in case I don't, let me know if y'all want me to do a separate video. I probably have like 10 varieties of this product that I'm about to show you, and then of another product. I got 2 of the Mrs. Meyer's hand soaps. This is the refill size, 33 fluid ounces, and it's the lavender scent. It contains olive oil and aloe vera. I like that it came in this protective plastic bag, not to spill all over everything else. I do have the small container. I think it's a 12 ounce or 12.5 ounce. So this is the refill for that. So I got the lavender. And then I also got the refill size, again, 33 fluid ounces of geranium scent. And y'all, I'm telling you, so this is just 2. And I'm trying to wonder, why did I get these 2 from iHerb when I got all the rest of them from Amazon and Walmart? I don't know if I just bought these first just because it was part of my iHerb order. And then I don't know, continued looking around and saw all the rest of the scents. But I'm going to tell y'all what first got me looking for all of these different scents, y'all, was the last time I went to Ace Hardware. So I went to Ace Hardware. Of course, I was looking for garden stuff, y'all. And I saw the Mrs. Myers. And if I have a picture of it, because I think I even took a picture or I did like just a little short clip, because I could not believe how many different scents of the Mrs. Myers hand soap and the other Mrs. Myers products that they had in the Ace Hardware, y'all. So of course I know what it was. I compared the prices, and the prices were better at iHerb, but iHerb only had, I think, like these scents. So then I went to Amazon and I went to Walmart and I got the other scents. But y'all, I have at least 10 different scents of this Mrs. Myers, the hand soap. And I have probably 10 different scents of the Dr. Teal body wash. If y'all want me to do a separate video on all of the different scents of the Mrs. Myers hand soap and the Dr. Teal body wash, y'all let me know. So this was just a quick haul from iHerb that I was able to make, like I say, in part due to your support of my channel, using my referral codes, my referral links, affiliate codes, affiliate link. Thank you so much. I will be using these products and you will see them in an upcoming empties video. Y'all, just a quick little note on iHerb. They have a lot of products. They always have good sales. They have their own little coupon and discount codes in addition to my own discount link and discount code. So make sure that you use them together and you can save even more money. I never have any problems with iHerb. If I have any kind of question or issues or whatever, the customer service is real good. It's a very quick response, and any situation I had, and it wasn't even that serious, it's resolved like immediately. That's why I like shopping at iHerb, and I would check them first and make the purchase at iHerb, and then if they don't have something there, then I'll go to Amazon or Walmart.com or something like that, y'all, because going in Walmart store, yo, that's a whole nother video. Let me know if you shop at iHerb.com. If you do shop there and you want to save some money, use my referral code, use my referral link. It is no charge to you. You get to save money, and then I get rewards points that eventually build up into giving me like a small discount that I can use for my future purchases. Ladies and gentlemen, that's all I have for this video. Please remember to subscribe to my channel. Click that notifications bell. Make sure it is set to all. Like, hype, comment, and share with everyone you know. And until next time, be safe, be well, and be blessed.